What's going on, guys? We are taking a look here at Moonwell slash the USD. It is the 3rd of January, 2025. Taking a look here at Moonwell, ticker symbol WELL USD, and the data here is derived from Coinbase. So we're getting a decent bounce here in the markets. Bitcoin, different cryptocurrencies, Moonwell, aerodrome. So the short-term trend right now is to the downside, guys. We have lower highs and lower lows here. So this initial big sell-off here, lower high, lower low, and so far we still have a lower high. So a couple things we want to keep an eye on. We want to keep an eye on the 048 level. Let's get that on the chart here. So we want to keep an eye on these lows here. They're just above the 04892 level. Then the recent low that was put in on the 1st of January. We want to keep an eye on that. We don't want to see that undercut. It could be quite bearish if that low right there is undercut. Now, on this sell-off that just took place, we didn't quite get down to the 04892 level. We got close. We put in a low on the 1st of 050196, so not quite, but we got close. A couple things I could see here playing out. Obviously, it's going to depend on what Bitcoin does. So if the top is in for Bitcoin and, we're just in a small bounce here before another major sell-off, then we're probably going to see the new lows here. If Bitcoin is getting ready to break out again, put in new all-time highs, then we'll probably see this thing trend to the upside. A couple things here is, since we do have a lower high right now, here's 3 scenarios that could play out. We could print a higher low and then a higher high. That would give us a trend back to the upside. We could rally from here, right? Basically going up to like 724, put in a higher high and then a higher low and then a higher high. That would give us also a new trend to the upside. Or we're going to melt down from here and put in a new lower low, and the downtrend that we're currently in will continue on. Again, higher low, higher high, that's a scenario. Or we just rally from here right into a higher high, and then we pull back to a higher low, probably at one of these levels on the chart. That's scenario number 2. Scenario number 3 is we just melt down from here, take out our most recent lows from the first, and the trend will continue to the downside. We could be seeing a somewhat of a double bottom here. We got close to that low over on the 21st, and then that's where we bounced. Again, this could be short term. We don't know yet. Time will tell. But that is what we're seeing here for Moonwell. The market has showed support at this 04892 level in the past. If you look over here in October, the candle wicks below this price level of mine. So when we got to this area in the past, the market has found support. So that's pretty simple. That's what I'm looking for. One of 3 of those scenarios should be playing out here, in the days ahead. So we're gonna look. We're either gonna take off like a rocket to the upside, putting in new highs. We're either gonna fade and put in a higher low, or we're gonna fade and put in a lower low. We'll have to watch that day by day as it unfolds. Real quick, guys, for those interested, we do have a Discord. Currently have 2 servers in there. One is strictly aerodrome finance trading signals, and the other one is a bunch of market indexes, futures, aerodrome, etc. We don't have any Moonwell signals, but people who are usually interested in Moonwell are interested in aerodrome. We have aerodrome. It has more trading history, and so if that's something you're interested in, check that out. And any other questions, just let me know down in the comments. So that's what we have here for Moonwell, guys. Of course, we have much higher price targets. Looks like all the way up right now we have 14,794. But we also have some lower levels down there at 0363, depending on which way this thing trends here. So we're going to keep an eye on it. We're going to keep an eye on Bitcoin. Let's go BTC USD. It's down $500. Finding a little bit of resistance at the 96,626.83 level. Again, Bitcoin in a downtrend at the moment. It might just be short term. Lower low, lower high, lower low. So far, a lower high. Again, the same scenarios could play out. Higher low, then a higher high, or we just rally from here into a higher high, or this thing fades from the lower high into another lower low, taking us down to 88,453. Time will tell, guys. All links down below. Appreciate it. If you are not yet a subscriber, go ahead and join us. Any questions, leave them down in the comments. And catch you guys in the next one, of course. Not financial advice. Take care.